Welcome to South Africa. These are our heroes. Sanibonani ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, I'm the threat, I'm the enemy. They hate me because I preach revolution. I try to show mntomnyama that democracy has never favored you. But then again, I'm the enemy and these are our heroes.
Why did you keep quiet when
what
you
rule?
said
What rule?
You kept quiet? If there is a sellout, is the supreme unelected leader of the MK. Prepare to take a question.
What rules, Rupert?
I'm talking to Rupert's eyeballs.
Rising on.
If there was no game of Chiefs of Sundowns and Pirates, I was going to take the question. Umngameli uRamaphosa so ukhulumile nomngameli waseRussia ubaba uPutin ukuthi abasebenzisane ukuletha ingane. Ubaba uZuma azithengisile. Lezo ingane sezisendleleni.
Point of order.
Chair. Weekend special.
Weekend special. Weekend special.
2 minutes.
I know weekend special. Microphones.
Ubaba onjani othengisa ingane zakhe?
Hayi wena umanyana kaRupert. Thula wena ubumnyama. Umanyana kaRupert.
Out of order, Minister. You are out of order.
No. Wakhuluma mfana kaRupert.
Ingayiqali ngeke nimele. Iqalwe yini?
I-MK party.
Soyaphapha futhi. Soyaphapha mfana kaRupert.
I-ANC ishayile induku lapha eMzumbe municipality.
Ilhlulile Northwest Stadium. Hamba ngobumnyama. Northwest Stadium. 2006.
When you open the tap, amanzi awaphumi, there is no water, and it's been like that for days, weeks, months, years. Some of us, we can't even turn on the electricity because it's been like that for days, weeks, months. Yet these are our heroes. These are our champions. Some of us is graduate but they're unemployed. And these are our heroes, our champions, our saviors.
The Honorable Nodada from the Democratic Alliance. We are here to grow the economy and create employment opportunities for people left behind by decades of failure. The EFF and MK gave out of touch Lusufi to the people of Gauteng.
Chair, putting a point of order on a speaker because MK party has nothing to do.
On what rule?
With the Russia issue.
Honorable members, I cannot hear the point of order.
Thank you. You have sent them to Ukraine, not Russia.
Papa. I-ANC ngumbutho wohlohle sakhe abantu bebulawa yindlala behlele emakhaya bengasebenzi ngelokuxesha izihlobo nezalamane ze-ANC ziqashana zodwa ngoba kaloku niba nale yamanzi mali niba nale indlela eyezindlu akukho nto bangayibiyo amasela sigade nje bona baku-GNU kunyanzelekile siyobakhupha kumasipala. I thank you.
Understand. You hate me because I preach revolution. You hate me because I keep telling you, the people you elected gave power. Bakhohliwe ngawe, they forgot about you. They are too busy enjoying luxury, enjoying the money that you give them, and they forget what you need them. They forget when you are struggling. They bicker, they argue against one another to avoid this country is falling apart. There's a better way, Mtomnyama. No matter if you love me or hate me, but there is a better way. We can do better. We can be better. Rule.
Ucabanga a whole lot of nothing. Rule. Ani papa and papi nina yazi ngobubi. Tulani namasela la